Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor located in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in Inverness touring this waterfront home on the Tsala Apopka chain of lakes here in Inverness, Florida. This home recently came on the market. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home with almost 1,400 living square footage. It's a beautiful home with many updates, including a new roof in 2022 and new gutters in 2022. So please join me on this tour, and if you have any questions, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll give you the address and the price. Come take a tour with me. Thanks for joining me on this tour. The address is 1125 South Shad Terrace here in Inverness, Florida. The price is $399.9. So if you have any questions, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.